Python's set interpretation of 1 and true. In IPython 3 interactive shell. Is that because 1 and true get the same interpretation, so given that set eliminates duplicates, only one of them, true, gets to stay? How can we keep both?
A set is a collection of hashables. Even though the statement 1 is true is false, the statement 1 equals true is true. Because of that, they have the same hash value and cannot exist separately in a set, and you cannot keep them both in a set. Edit to make it explicit, as Jamie pointed out, it is because both things are true, they are equal, per underscore eq underscore, and they have the same hash value, per underscore hash underscore. In a perfect world, equal objects would also have the same hash value, and thankfully this is true for built-in types.
If you want to see more, press the consider subscribing.